Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
Throttle warning.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. That goes a long way with helping out with the channel. That makes the content that I upload appear in other people's news feed and helps them find the channel. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend a warm welcome. Today we're gonna do a quick chop shop of this Snaptain A10. I think that this is a really awesome design quad and all. It's a folding quad, even the props fold and everything, and it's in the micro size, so that makes it kind of unique. And it came with a camera. I really don't care for cameras and all of that stuff. I just like flying it, you know. I just like flying these quads, having fun with them. Sporty flying is what I like. And so I really like to fly these little micro drones on deviation. In other words, I like to use a multi-protocol transmitter. With this one, it's on a protocol that you cannot use a multi-protocol transmitter as of now. So I decided to hack this thing, take it to the chop shop, and drop a different board in here, a different brain, so to say. So this thing would have a protocol that's compatible with multi-protocol transmitters, and I can fly it the way I want. Also, this thing has altitude hold, and I'm not that fond of that. It really hinders your sporty flying capabilities and your maneuverability and all of that stuff. Just takes a big hit with them adding altitude hold to all of these new drones. It's really hard to find a drone nowadays without altitude hold, so I'm forced to do things like this, create my own. I thought this was a pretty awesome candidate for a chop shop like that. And even though it might be a little difficult, we're just going to go ahead and dive right in. And so let's get it. So we're going to start by removing 8 of these screws here. That's all we need to remove is 8 of them. No need to show this. It's pretty straightforward. And after all, this is a quick chop. So I removed the screws. Let's get a look underneath here. I forgot to remove the battery. So we got this guy all put back together. I even got the lights back in the little lenses here. It was a little tricky, couldn't really do it on camera. I was unable to really get a red light to go in the rear here. I might go back in at a later date and, you know, do all the little light touches on it and all as far as the lights. But hopefully it'll fly well in its current condition. That's my main concern with this guy. I wasn't able to keep the battery system that it had, and I much rather use these batteries anyhow. They're a little more common, a lot more common. Anyhow, very easy to get these as opposed to batteries for this thing. These batteries here. There's a new rebranded version of this that I was planning on getting in for the channel to do a review and all, to check it out for you guys. Hopefully these batteries are still compatible to it, but let's get this guy in the air. All right, y'all, so we got this thing outside. A little while ago I was out here flying the U807 and it was extremely windy. The wind was blowing that thing around like crazy. So hopefully the wind doesn't pick back up like it was earlier. Let's see, we got to put on A10. So let's take off with it. So it at least takes off. It seems really stable. Awesome yaw rate of the E010. You see those night lights on it? Man, it dives. So it's definitely better. Let's try a flip, see if the flips work. Yep, it does the flips. Not bad. It does them better than it was doing them before. And it's got a lot more pitch. Whoa. All types of obstacles out here to try not to hit now. Man, so this thing is awesome. So I'm extremely happy with it, how it turned out and all. Can't really see the light in the back. That light in the back is very dim. The light on the side is red, it's dim as well. But you can see those lights in the front really bright. So it might be an okay night flyer. I might be able to get away with flying it at night just because of those eyes there. And it banks nice. Sheesh. The banking is very deep because of the deviation. It's starting to get a little darker out here. So I'm thinking that when LVC hits, I'll have to be facing me in order to see it the fastest, because those eyes will start blinking. Man, it really dives too. So I was trying to fly it into LVC, but it seems like it's going to have a long flight time. Bring it in close and look at it. The wind is blowing it towards me. Try that again. Check it out. Feels like it's getting a little weak. Still no LVC. I'm not sure. I don't remember what the LVC on the E10 is like. Haven't flown that one in a while. So I don't know how long I'm going to have for LVC. It's definitely coming up though, because I can feel it going down. The power. I'm having to give it more throttle to keep it in the air. Y'all read this awesome, check it out. It seems like on turns, that's when the pitch gets extremely deep. But when I'm just doing funnels in place, the pitch isn't as deep. The banking is really deep though. It dives on its banking. Trying to fly it until LVC to see if we're going to get some flashing from the eyes. Let's do some flips. Maybe that'll make it hurry up with the LVC. And it's really stable. I've done a bunch of flips and all, and flying it around hard, and it's still in the air, still real stable and everything. And this thing is fast. Man, I'm guessing because of the geared props, it's going to get a longer flight time than it usually does, the E10 anyhow. Still able to flip. Let's try a barrel roll. Man, extremely long flight time. And this thing is awesome now. Do some speed passes with it. Hopefully I don't smack it into anything before this video is over. Oh, not the gate. And I think I might just bring it down. I think I might just bring it in because it's taking extremely long to reach LBC. This video is long enough as it is. I'm pretty sure this was supposed to be a quick shop. A quick chop shop. Okay, there we go. So I see the lights flashing now. I don't know how long I have. I'm just going to bring it in. So that's a quick chop shop of this Snaptain A10. It's successful. And this thing is awesome now. Thanks for watching.